Mr. Chair and Senator Hann, how much does this save the state budget?
Senator Hann.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman and Senator Goodwin. This does not have a fiscal note. I don't know that it can be determined. There may be, I guess, potentially some savings, but it's not been fiscal noted, and so I don't have an answer if there is any.
Well, Mr. Chair and
Senator
Senator
Goodwin.
Hann, we're really not doing anything here in this bill in our last 2 weeks before the first deadline to save the state budget any money or try to resolve our $5 million shortfall.
Senator Hann.
Mr. Chairman, Senator Goodwin, I think part of, at least my understanding of the Chairman's direction, or the committee, and certainly our direction generally, is to not just solve the budget, but also bring reform to what we do and how we do things in the state government. I think that long-term, the effect of changing this would make the opportunity to settle contracts in a more timely fashion. I think empower local school boards to be able to manage the single largest cost that they have in their budget more expeditiously. I think there is, in my opinion, certainly over time, an opportunity to save cost, at least at the school district level as we go forward, and perhaps at the state level as well. If, but that it can't be fiscal noted, but I think there is an opportunity to save money long term. But this is a reform option that we believe is important if we're going to change the cost drivers in government going forward.
Well, Mr. Chair and
Senator Goodwin.
Senator Hann, you know, we've got very little time left to resolve this $5 billion shortfall, and I wouldn't really say cutting the legs off of collective bargaining is going to do anything whatsoever to resolve that shortfall. So I'm wondering why, especially with you as chair of the Health and Human Service Committee, you've got a lot of work to do in your committee on real possible reform. I don't see this as reform, but we have a difference of opinion on that. So when are we going to get to the budget issues, our state budget issues that we need to take care of?
Senator Goodwin, we are working in that direction, and I have made it very clear that along with any kind of budgetary matters, I am interested in innovation, ways of reforming what we are doing today. And as I understand it, this bill, its intent is to establish a new process. And so that's why we're hearing this.